Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the 11th exercise of chapter 5. This is the addition test program. This program will ask the 5 questions and in each question num1 and num2 will be randomly generated number between 1 and 10. Let's write the program. First of all, import random and create a for loop for x in range 1, 6, as there will be 5 questions. At the each iteration of for loop, print question followed by the value of x. At the first iteration it will print question number 1. At the second iteration it will print the question number 2. At the third iteration it will print the question number 3, and so on. After this, create a variable num1 and set this equal random.randint one comma 10. Create another variable num2 and set this equal random.randint one comma 10. Now create a variable total and set this equal num1 plus num2 after this print space followed by num1 and separate this with empty string. After this print plus sign followed by num2 separate empty string. Now create a variable answer and set this equal in input enter the answer. Now create an if statement to check whether the answer is correct or not. If answer is equal to total print congratulations it's correct. Else print it's incorrect. And after each question print new line. Let's run the program. Question number 1, 1 plus 9. Enter the answer 10. Congratulations, it's correct. Question number 2, 3 plus 7. Enter the answer 10. Congratulations, it's correct. Question number 3, 4 plus 6. Enter the answer. Let's enter 7. It's incorrect. Question number 4, 1 plus 10. Enter the answer 11. Congratulations, it's correct. Question number 5, 10 plus 9. Enter the answer. Let enter incorrect answer 5. It's incorrect. Our addition test program is completed.